Hey guys, this is Justin with Peterbilt Auction Service. We have got a 2007 Peterbilt 386 with a 6NZ cat with no miles on the overhaul. This truck will be up for auction March 9 at 10 a.m. at BJM Enterprise in Valley Springs, South Dakota. You can either be on site that day or bid online. Online buyers will have separate terms and conditions. In order to view the online terms and conditions, please visit Vanderbrink Auctions. The truck will be posted there. Now, the day of the sale, March 9, if you are an on-site bidder, we do accept cash, check with proof of funds. Day of sale, you must pay in full. But this 07 Peterbilt 386 has got two 145 gallon tanks, low 22.5 steers, low 22.5 drives, an 18-speed transmission, and 3.25 rear ends. The truck itself does have 1.6 million miles on it. The rear ends were, the transmission and front and rear diff were replaced at 1.3 million. It has 3.25 rear ends. You can see there. Has an APU unit and S-bar heater. This truck will be auctioned off March 9 at 10 a.m. And like I stated before, it has a 6NZ cat with an in-frame overhaul with no miles on it. And we'll fire it up a second. Like I said, 1.6 million on the truck. 18 speed transmission. There's the bunkhouse. You can bid online or be on site March 9, 10 a.m. This is Justin with Peterbilt Auction Service. Yvette Vanderbrink and I will, with Vanderbrink Auctions, will be auctioning off this truck March 9, 10 a.m. at BJM Enterprises parking lot. Be on time. It's a single unit. It will not take long for us to roll through this, guys, so make sure you are on time.